One of my SubTo students brought the deal to me. They probably got paid. Do you know how much he got paid? He got paid 10 grand out of that $35,000. He got paid 10 grand. Isn't that amazing? Oh my gosh, I love that the seller got less money than the agent did. Hey guys, I'm here with Hannah. She's wearing her Barbie pants today. We're gonna be signing a deal today, right?
Yeah.
Hannah, tell everybody who you are.
I'm Hannah Gustafson.
She's Hannah Gustafson. She didn't want to be here on the video, so give her some love in the comments down below. So Hannah, what do you do for the team?
So I am an assistant on the transaction coordinator team, and then I'm also a notary.
Okay, so she's a notary. Who do you notarize for?
You.
Just for me. How cool is that? She's a full-time notary for our team, and she just signs for me, which is awesome. And then you are an assistant on the transaction coordination team. What are some things you've learned recently?
Learned recently?
Yeah, like too many things to count?
Too many things. I've been watching Molly's course.
Are you touching any transactions right now as a transaction coordinator?
So I just finished one last week.
What was it?
Teresa.
I don't know. These are houses I'm buying?
SubTo.
Is the house I bought? Okay.
bought the
So
house.
guys, this is the great thing about having a team is that we buy houses you don't even know exist via Teresa. It was a SubTo deal in what city?
Phoenix.
Phoenix, Arizona. Do you know what we're doing with it?
I think it's just a rental.
It's just a rental. Amazing. Okay, so what are we signing today?
This is a SubTo deal. It's 1632. It's a SubTo.
The question is, will my team give the address in the YouTube channel? What could we give away from this? Could we give the closing statements in the description? Could I give people the closing statements? Could we give them that? Yeah. You guys will allow that, Eric?
Yeah.
I want to show you guys and prove to you guys that we buy these deals unlike other people on YouTube that are trying to teach. Do we buy a lot of deals? Is it overwhelming sometimes?
Yes.
Okay, so this is one deal that we're going to be doing, and I don't know the numbers on it. So does your mom know the numbers?
Yeah.
What are the numbers? Here, you tell them to me. I'm gonna whiteboard them. Okay. So the address. Look, see what I'm doing here, Eric? Okay, 1632 North. What? And that's in Phoenix. Okay. It's a SubTo deal. Do we know what the purchase price is? Okay, so guys, pay attention to this. This is really interesting. You'll learn with people that buy with a lot of creative finance. We care very little about the purchase price. I care, is it a SubTo deal? What does that mean? That means I'm taking over somebody's existing payments. Hannah, what's our interest rate on it? Ooh, really? What are we, crazy? That's the highest interest rate I've bought in like months. 5.75% interest, still do you know what the average interest rate is right now? It's about 7 to 9% right now is what other people are getting. So still below what market is. Okay, that's great. What is my purchase price? Do you know? We don't know the purchase price. I imagine it's whatever retail is. So do we know how much money I put down? Okay, so we're about $35,000 total was my down payment. Okay, that was assignment fee to the person who brought the deal to me, one of my students. One of my SubTo students brought the deal to me. They probably got paid. Do you know how much he got paid? He got paid 10 grand out of that $35,000. He got paid 10 grand. Where'd the other $25,000 go?
So 10K to seller, and then
Okay, isn't that amazing? Oh my gosh, I love that the seller got less money than the agent did. Oh my word. Okay, so agent got 11, seller got 10, and my SubTo student got 10,000. Cool. And so that's 23, or I'm sorry, 31. And then you've got, out of that 31, I added $4,000 for the title company. Okay, cool. So I'm $35,000. Where does this $35,000 come from, Eric? If I buy houses with no money out of my own pocket, no cash out of my own pocket, no credit check, no credentials, why and where does that 35 grand come from? Okay, so private money. Cool. So that would be private money lender. If you guys want to see how to find private money lenders, click in the description down below. I have a video for you. What else do I need to know? What's my payment? Okay, so my monthly payment, remember I bought it SubTo, so my monthly payment is $2,500 a month. That's what I took over at 5.75%. Do we know what the rent rate is? I remember looking at this deal, the rent rate on this thing is $3,400. Okay, so I can rent it out for $3,400. I've got a payment at $2,500, no credit check, no credentials, nobody checked my bank account, nothing. I brought my money to pay the student, the seller, the agent, and the closing costs from a private money lender, and that private money lender will have a payment of about $350 a month. So $350 plus $2,500, I'm at $2,850 per month. I can rent it out for $3,400, so my gross cash flow is $550 a month before management and repairs. So this property will cash flow, I'm into it, no money. It's a great deal. You want me to sign on it and we'll give everybody the closing documents? Okay, what do you got for me? Let's sign it. You got a pen for me? By the way, if you're a notary and you don't do the things that Hannah does as a notary, then are you really a notary? Here's what's cool. When you join the team, all of a sudden you start showing up with these little things that you need me to sign on. So I don't even have to look at the first 3 pages.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So what happens to these documents once I'm done signing?
So we'll scan and send it back to the title company.
You'll scan them, send them back to the title company, and I never deal with these things. What do you guys do with the originals? Do you just file them away somewhere?
Yeah, we'll just file them at Noah's house.
Really? Amazing. Okay, cool. Okay, so what we'll do is we will upload those documents. If you guys want a copy of these documents, what an all-inclusive, let me tell you what this is. Performance deed. A performance deed of trust and assignment of rents. This is a good one. You guys definitely want this. I paid an attorney to draft this a long time ago, like $1,500. So we'll give you guys a copy of that. And what's the other one? What's the one on the bottom? An all-inclusive note. Let's see what the note is. Okay, monthly payments which mirror amount due, including tax and insurance, Julia and Sandra Rogers and Joshua Robert Cummings is the seller. Very cool. Awesome. So you guys can actually see my seller's name on this document. We'll give this all to you guys. Scan this in, Hannah, if you don't mind, and give that to Eric so he can give that away to everybody on YouTube. Guys, if you appreciate when we do this kind of stuff, please make a comment down below. And on your way down, please subscribe. 80% of our, do you know that we get 5 million views on our YouTube channel every month? Is that impressive or not?
Yes.
You're lying.
I mean, I don't get any views.
Well, come on, that's not what you do for a living though.
That's true.
Are you impressed or not impressed? Are you like, why aren't you Mr. Beast and getting like 1 billion views a month? All right.
There could always be more.
There could always be more. That's what Hannah says. So please, guys, share our channel with other people. Hit the subscribe button on the way down, and we'll see you in another video.